Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, honey. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. And if not, I'm sending positive vibes your way, okay? Positive vibes your way. Hey y'all. Alright, y'all, let me let y'all know what I got going on. And we're gonna hop right on into this thing, alright? So today we got some tacos. Yes, we got tacos, y'all. All ground beef. I'm supposed to do ground beef and chicken, but the way my life is set up, I was hungry and I was just ready to eat, so I ain't cooked the chicken, y'all. All right, it's okay, though. It's all right. So they're all ground beef, okay? We got a little mix going on, though. I did give you all the variety in shells, all right? So we got our little taco boats, nacho boats down here, because they had no more nacho hard shell in the store, y'all. I was salty. But anyway. So we got regular hard shell, and we got some soft shells over here. They all have, I'll take that back. All right, these ones have lettuce, cheese, sour cream, Valentina, some salsa roja. What else? Pickles and some corn salsa. My little boats over here, they have lettuce, cheese, sour cream, Valentina. They have a little bit of corn salsa. They have the red salsa as well, and then they have crushed what's the dang chips now? I can't get it out. Crushed Flaming Hot Lemon Doritos. There we go. We got the crushed Doritos on top. Give me a little crunch, Alright. I just got water to drink today. Okay, we're drinking my water. We're drinking the water today. And we're about to dive right in, y'all, because I'm hungry. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But what mukbang? I ain't hungry. Duh. I tried a sweet and spicy corn salsa that I found in the store. I didn't put a whole lot on here because I didn't know how I was gonna like it, but it's actually pretty good. I'm so rude, y'all. Here we go. I'm trying to get better. I ain't offer y'all now, so I'm offer y'all some of my little boat. Okay, there you go. Get you some. Get you some. How y'all doing today? Oh. How are my beautiful people doing today? Y'all doing good? Yeah, I'm putting some of my Doritos back here. Now, don't talk about my Doritos, y'all. They all crushed up. Because I was supposed to save them. But I got a little hungry while I was cooking, so I started snacking, okay? It's okay. I started snacking on Doritos, y'all. These are my favorite Doritos. That corn sauce actually isn't bad. Not bad. Happy weekend to y'all. I'm just gonna say happy weekend because I don't know what day y'all in this video yet. It's a happy weekend. Hope y'all get to relax or do whatever it is you do on the weekend. Ooh, y'all. Y'all see that pickle on top? And these are dill pickles. I don't like sweet pickles. So we got dill pickles, okay? Dill pickles. Yes, ma'am. bomb. I really wish I had the cheddar shells, because I really do prefer those over these regular ones, because I'm not a huge hard shell fan in the first place. But we make it do what it do. We make it do what it do, y'all. My bad, y'all. I'll get back to the screen. I got a text message. I got a text message. I'm trying to talk about these tacos bomb. They're so good. It is so good. Thank you all for watching my last video. I really appreciate it. Ooh. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for all of your support. I appreciate it so much. What y'all find? Fine. I don't even know what I was trying to say. What I was supposed to say was, what's your favorite type of Dorito? What's your favorite kind? Let me know in the comments. Taco boat, taco boat. Not bad. I never got the little boats like that before. It's nice though. It's supposed to be cheddar or natural cheese, excuse me. I don't really get that much cheese flavor. Not like the hard cheddar shells, but it is pretty good. What I used to do was oh my god. When I would have like little girls' nights or any kind of little events, and I wanted to make tacos, I'll make my own taco bowls. So I would take the small tortillas, the small flour tortillas, and flip over a muffin tin or a cupcake sheet, whatever, cupcake pan, whatever you have, and just bend them a little bit and stick them between the gaps on the bottom of the pan, and you put them in the oven for a couple minutes, bake them up, nice crisp bowl. I had to make them for y'all one day. They're really nice, especially when you want to have an event. They look nice. They don't fall over. So you don't gotta worry about having like a little stand or anything to put tacos on. They sit in their own little bowls and they look really pretty. Definitely I'll make them for y'all one day though. If you know what I'm talking about and you've done those before, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you made your own taco bowl. I should have made some rice. She made me some yellow rice. I guess this is truly a mukbang today, huh? Baby girl ain't said much of nothing. I'm sorry, y'all. I got like so much I'm trying to process. I still got some ice outside. I was even snowing again this morning. I think everything has stopped now. Hopefully. Hopefully it'll start melting soon. It's so cold though. I don't know how long that's gonna be. It's still messy. But like, from what I can see, looking outside, like the main street near me looks pretty clear. I thought I was going to record my ASMR this morning, but I had to help my babies, and I put my mom's thing together that I was telling y'all about. So I'll probably record that tomorrow, and I guess y'all won't get it on Sunday. I'm excited to do it too, because it's been a while. It's been a good while. So y'all, my my cousin messaged me and told me she tried her 2-time spicy noodles. How she saw me do mine on one of my older videos where I had the shrimp and the cheese and everything in there, and she tried it that way. She said they were so good, right? But her lips was on fire. She like, I've been trying to do everything to cool my lips off. And I'm just cracking up because she like hot stuff like I do, but I think that I'm a little more I'm a little more used to the spice now because I eat them so often. Whereas she only eats them like once in a blue moon. Excuse me. Probably like a normal person should, because Lord, that hot death probably ain't gonna be no good to my stomach. But it's delicious and I can't help it. But yeah, y'all, I was cracking up. She's like, I'm just trying to cool my lips off. I guess I'll try to get my seafood tomorrow. Because I'm ready to try this Be-Love sauce pack. And I've made it from like scratch before, but I've never purchased a pack because this is my first time having her season pack. So I can make it like her way. And see how I like it. Might make the sauce today though, since she recommends you do it like the day before. So I'll probably make it today. I have it for my video later. Oh, sis bust this food down. Yes, she did. I was more hungry than I thought I was. But you know, when it's that lovely time, you just want to eat everything in the kitchen. My ladies know what I mean. Man, I need a big family size bed. And my chips, I usually get the family size. And I just grabbed a little bag that was up at the register. Now I want more. I'm letting stuff now. Alright, y'all. I really appreciate it if you guys would give this video a thumbs up. Smash that like button. Yes, ma'am. Smash it, honey. Smash that like button. And please leave me some comments. I look forward to my comments. I'll be brightening up my day sometimes because some of y'all are so sweet. Thanks again for all the positive vibes you guys have been sending me. I appreciate it so much. I know y'all's bad. I'm over here trying to get the list come to my Doritos. Terrible. Don't talk about me, y'all. But like this video, okay? Comment, share, alright? Share it now. Share with your friends so they can share with their friends. And they can share with their friends. You know what I'm saying? You get it? Do you got it? Okay, good. Okay, good. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, you know what I'm about to ask you to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yep. Tap that button. Okay. When you hit that button now, you gotta make sure you turn on those post notifications, alright? When you see them little bells pop up, click that one at the top. That's for all right now. Once you get all of the notifications, how much you'll be notified every time that I upload a video, okay? Because I don't want y'all to miss out on nothing, alright? I hope that you beautiful people enjoyed this video. And until next time, I will catch you guys next video.